I won't take much of your time. Our lives are incredibly painful and terrifying. We live through all kinds of suffering every day. And what's most painful is that all of this is happening right in front of the world. For 680 days now, we have become an ongoing documentary series. But the price is our blood, our children, our homes, and our lives. A few dollars may not seem like anything to you, but here they help us escape death. Click the link in my bio or contact me. Thank you.